Our final example is an intentionally defective beneficiary trust. All right. So it's very similar to an intentionally defective grantor trust that we just talked about in the last slide. However, under 678 of the code, in this case, it's defective as to the beneficiary. So in this case, the beneficiary pays the income taxes in his or her 1040. All right. So sometimes we refer to these sometimes as a 678 trust. And the reason it's called a 678 trust is referring to Internal Revenue Code 678 that says the beneficiary pays the income taxes in his or her income tax return, and it avoids having to file a 1041. All right. So again, an intentionally defective beneficiary trust, it's similar to the intentionally defective grantor trust. However, instead of the grantor trust maker paying the income taxes, in this case, the beneficiary is paying the income taxes in his or her 1040. There's no need to file the 1041. All right. So how does it qualify to be a beneficiary defective trust? The trust must have the following language. All right. All income must be distributed to the trust beneficiary annually. All right. So the beneficiary must have the right under the trust instrument to demand the distribution and require the distribution of the trust income. However, the beneficiary has this right. The trust document itself doesn't say the trustee must distribute the income. No, in this case, it says the beneficiary has the right to demand the income annually. So if the trust instrument has that language that the beneficiary has a right to demand all the income every year, then it qualifies as a beneficiary defective trust, and they pay the trust income at their own individual tax rate under 1040. All right. And here's the language under 678 is person other than the grantor treated as substantial owner. So basically it's a beneficiary that is paying the income taxes.